My number one tip in getting organized is to have less stuff. Why is that so important? I'll tell you. Hi there, I'm Julie with SortWell Organizing Company, and my goal is to help you get sorted to live well. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret.
Tell me everything.
The secret to organizing is not about spending a ton of money on getting all the pretty bins and products that are available. It is really just to have less stuff. If you look at pictures of rooms on Pinterest that you adore because they look so organized, I'm gonna tell you, it's not because they have the best of product, they have less stuff. The more stuff you have, the more you're gonna feel overwhelmed in your space. You're not gonna be able to create a home for it. You're not gonna be able to find it when you're looking for it. So really just paring down, making sure you're constantly taking inventory of what you have and what you don't, it will help you feel like you are on top of your belongings and you actually have ownership of your things. They don't take over you.
Very wise.
I really feel like having less stuff also helps you really enjoy what you have. If something gets lost in your closet, it's tucked behind other things, you don't get to use it because you don't see it. You don't even know that it's there.
I still can't find it.
Same thing with your pantry or things in your kitchen. You really want to bring your belongings to the forefront so that you can use them, so that you can look at them, enjoy them, whatever it is. I especially use this advice when you lose a loved one. It is so hard to say goodbye, and I'm not saying you need to purge all of their belongings, but instead, when you're going through those belongings that are so special to you, you want to be able to pull out what truly has memories attached to it. It can get really easy to just want to save everything because it's theirs and you love them and you want to keep their memory alive. But by focusing on something that really does have something attached to it, a memory, a scent. No, that's weird.
What scent?
But by pulling things that really do have a memory attached to it and focusing on just one or two items, then you will be able to use that item, see that item, have it in your home on display. It will just be more meaningful in that person's memory. And same goes for all of that artwork your kids have worked on throughout every grade in their school. Now they're in college, they're getting married, they're having their own kids. They don't want that random art drawing they did in second grade. I'm sorry, they just don't. But if it's still important to you, then sure, frame it, but you don't need all of it. It's actually a whole segment of its own. By having less stuff, this also allows you the opportunity to really invest in what matters to you. The less you have, the better quality item you can afford. So how do you determine what should stay and what should go? The first step I think you should do is grab a trash bag, walk around your house, and clear the literal clutter before you get to the actual stuff. This means just clearing off your nightstand. If you walk over and you've had a cup there for a few days, go ahead, take it to the dishwasher, and also look for any old wrappers,
For shizzle dizzle.
anything like that that you can just throw away. You might be surprised at how full that bag will get and how quickly. Once you gather up the things that you are considering getting rid of, you really have to be honest with yourself. Is this a donation or is this just trash? And if it really means a lot to you, then you can keep it. And if it is something that you want to keep, does it have a home? If not, make one for it right then and there so that you have somewhere to take it, and back exactly where you just found it is not the right home. And we can get more into trash, donate, or keep in another video. So again, my number one tip when trying to get organized is just have less stuff. I want you to enjoy what you do have and not feel overwhelmed. Again, I am in the business of giving you the gift of time. And it all comes back to have less stuff.